Meaning of duckling.
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 Duckling. A duckling is a young bird that belongs to the duck family. These small, fluffy creatures are usually yellow or brown and are often associated with cute and playful behavior. Ducklings rely heavily on their mother for protection and guidance, as they navigate their way through the world. They are often featured in children's stories and are well loved by many. Overall, ducklings are a symbol of new life and innocence, and their presence can bring joy and happiness to those around them.